Hi children, welcome to today's EVS class. In today's class, we will continue learning about keeping surroundings clean. By now you all know that why it is so important to keep our home and also our surroundings clean. You did many activities and by now you know the importance of separating the waste, a red bin, what all you have to dispose in the red bin, what all you have to dispose in the green bin, and also you know that a reusable bin can be maintained so that things can be used again and again in order to make the waste less. Yes, so these all up to now, these all how to deal with the waste we learn. So as a part of that only, today's class we are going to learn about how we need to keep our toilets also clean. So it may be funny to hear the topic of today's lesson, but even then that is also very important. That is also one of the very important manners as a child you all should develop from right now onwards. So children, so when we are using the toilets, so in our home we learned that you have drawn a house and you wrote what all methods you are following to keep your home clean. No children, sweeping you wrote, mopping, dusting, washing, so many things you wrote. So in our home we have a toilet also. Everybody's home we have a toilet. So that is also a part of our home, a place in our home. So it is our duty to keep the toilets also clean. Why? Because when we use and when the members of the family, when we remove the dirt from our body by bathing and using the washrooms, so it may become dirty. So that time, how we are maintaining the other rooms of the home, same way we have to keep it clean. But one person only cannot do all the work. So whoever is using a toilet, it is their duty to check whether it is clean or not before leaving the washroom. At least you should know the 3 rules to use the toilet. As a child, you all should know at least 3 rules to use toilet. What are they? Can you write on your own? You can only think, and because you also know so many things how to keep yourself and your surrounding clean. By now you know that the toilet is also one such thing in our surrounding and also inside our home. So it's our duty to keep it also clean. So 3 rules, can you think and write there children? Yes, you might have written this. Yes, I know that. So whenever we use the toilet, we have to flush it. And we have to, if flush is not working, suppose sometimes flush is not working, so we need to pour water. And the second one, we have to check whether any dirt anywhere around the seat or on the seat area, any dirt is there. That should be that should be removed. You have to clean it. And also after you use the toilet and you come out, you have to wash your hands. Very important, because the dirt, wherever we see the dirt, what is there in the dirt? Germs are there, and what the germs will do, they will make us fall ill. Even you use the toilet and come back, some dirt may be there in your hand, so that you will not be able to see the germs, so that may make us fall ill. So 3 rules. Yes, no children, what are the 3 rules just now we discussed? Flush or pour water after using. Yes, after using. Then keep the area around the seat clean. You check and come, because the next person who has to use it, they will also feel very uncomfortable if it is dirty. And not only because of that, the dirt, you all know that dirt has germs and germs will make us sick. And one more thing is washing hands. Yes, after you use the washroom and come out, definitely you have to wash hands using a soap, liquid soap or any type of soap you have to use. So why these all had to be followed? Why we have to follow it? Because we all know that dirt has what children? Germs. Can we see the germs? No. So what germs will bring? Germs make us ill. That is fall sick. We will fall sick. We may get diseases. So that is why these all has to be followed. Why? Because dirt has germs and germs make us ill. So when we are following it, we can avoid these all getting diseases and we can be healthy. So this somehow in our home, we will be maintaining. You might have seen your parents all the time or elders of the family maintaining the hygiene. They will be keeping the toilets clean. But suppose we are going outside, we are going for a picnic, some tourist places also sometimes we visit, no children. If we talk about in Hyderabad, we have many tourist places. Sometimes we go near Charminar, we go to visit Hussain Sagar Lake, like that, or else another city, anywhere if you go also, tourist places when we go, there also we will find toilets. So they are called as public toilets. They are because they are in the public places. So what do you mean by that? These public toilets are used by, it is open for all. Anybody, whoever is away from their home, they can use it. But using is not an issue. Anybody can use it. But we have to maintain the cleanliness there also. It is not our home, so that we cannot leave dirt. See, leaving dirt, you know that now how much bad smell it will be giving out. The bad smell is also somehow spreading the germs in the air, and also when it is stick to anybody's body or anything, even that may also cause them illness. So we should not do that. So each and every one, whoever is using the public toilet or home toilet, we need to keep it clean. Yes. So now let us discuss. Just we will see how a public toilet and a home toilet are different. So public toilet, if you talk about a public toilet, where we can see these children, public toilets are found at public places. So public places means what? Like park, zoo and all are called as public places, and it is open for all the people who are open for all, who are away from the home, who are away from home. No, so they only need, no, when we are traveling also, see, somewhere when we are traveling from one place to another place, on the way, on the roads also, government has made, when we are learning about municipality, government, cleaning workers, same way, government only has made these public toilets for the people to use. We can find in the public places, it is open for all, and open for all means who are those people using that? They are away from our home. So here also, same way as I told you, the golden 3 rules. So you have to flush it. If flush is not working, you cannot say that the flush is not working, what I should do. So we need to pour water, and we should check whether any dirt we have left it or what. That is because children, that is the excretion from our body. So what we are excreting, which is not, we don't want to keep it in our body, there is a waste things. Yes, we are learning about waste disposal only now in this lesson. So as they are waste, so that may contain germs. That is how we have to, here also we have to deal with it in a proper way. So now at home toilets, you all know that it is not found in public place, it is found in your home, in our houses, and it is not open for all, no, only the family members will use, and also we know that somehow we will be maintaining it we maintain it neatly. So same care we have to show when we are using the public toilets also. So this part of the lesson is just to make you all understand that even how we using toilets also a very important part of keeping our home and surrounding clean. Yes, just other rooms are clean and your toilets is smelly, we cannot say that house is a healthy or it is a very good healthy house or they are maintaining it properly. The same way open places. See, you might have seen when you are traveling somewhere, people you might have found some of them due to ignorance because they don't know that they should not use the open places. Open places we should not use as toilet. Why? Why children? So just now we learnt about the cleaning workers, no? How difficult it is for them to clean. Even spitting we learn. If somebody spit, how they will clean it. Same thing only. If somebody urinates, they excrete. How it is very difficult. How difficult it will be for the government also to maintain the city. How dirty our city will look. Who wants to live in a city which is so dirty? Everywhere people will be urinating, everywhere smelling, spitting. So that is not the proper way of keeping our city clean. Even I told you about the Swachh Bharat machine, no? So as a part of that, each and everybody should follow all this. Not open. Even the 4th rule you can add up. Flushing or pouring water after use, and keeping that, checking and coming whether any dirt is removed, left out or what, and washing hands so important after use, and also never ever you should use the open places. Then what we can do is, for example, we are going by bus, public transport, you are going from Hyderabad to, for example, Warangal you are going. So on the way you want to use a washroom. So what we can do, we can ask them to stop anywhere and we can use it as toilet, children? No. So for that only government has made public toilets at many places. So we should ask the driver or the attendant there to stop where there is a public toilet. So there you can use and follow the rules how it has to be kept clean, and then we can come out. So these all things sound so funny, but even then these all are also very important to keep our home, our surrounding, and also our city and ultimately our country clean. Yes children, so these golden 4 rules you all know, I hope. So flush, the keywords you can learn. See, public toilets, flush. See, such type of words which are new to you, you learn with spellings. So now let us see what is given in the workbook. I know that you can be able to do it on your own because it will be very simple only. So take page number 28 children. In your workbook we will see what is given. So you don't forget to write the date then and there. Whenever you are writing, please write the date first before starting to do the attempting the questions. First question children, what is a public toilet? How is it different from the toilet we use at home? So can you write from this only? Public toilets are found in public places and they are open for all. It is for the people who are away from the home. Can you write? And what about the, how is it different from toilet we use at home? So what you have tried for that? At home, the toilet is used by family members only. Yes, no children? Can you try it on your own? So the first part of the answer. Yeah, please be ready with your workbook children, page. So who are able to do on your own, always that is only better. Always you have to try to put your own words so that you will be enjoying what you are learning. Yes, first question, public. So all the spellings you need to learn, whichever is new. Public toilets are open for all at public places. Yes, they are found at public places. Yes, no children, like public places means what? Zoo, park, all these are the public places. And at home, toilets are used by whom children? You write family members, you fill it up by the family members. You only fill that. I am leaving it as dash from by the family members. You will do on your own. Let us see what is given in the second question. What will you do in the following situation? They are given you some situations. It will be very nice to do on your own children. See what is the first situation you see. What is given? Your friend left the toilet without flushing it. So I don't learn the flush spelling. Then only you can read it. Your friend in the school or he came to your home. He used the washroom but he forgot to flush it. What can we do? Can we go and fight with him? So he left already, he went to his home. So what we can do? So we need to flush it, or if he is there we can inform him. So can you write on your own? I will call him and say also one way it is nothing wrong, you can tell him so that he will not do that mistake again. If he is not there, immediately we have to flush it. I will flush it, you can write on your own. B student, you are travelling in a bus and you want to go to toilet. See. So B, A1 I hope you all are going to do on your own. Yes, no children. A you will be doing on your own. B, I will ask the driver to stop where children? Open place near a public toilet. Yes, we should try to use the open places. Yes, no children. Now, C question. Your friend used the toilet in the school but flush is not working. So what he can do? So your friend used the toilet but the flush is not working. So what he can do? So that we can blame the school, it is not working, what I should do. Like that, sometimes you'll be asking like that is not the way, no? What we should do, we should somehow what will be available, no? Pour water to keep it clean. We need to keep the washrooms clean. So immediately you pour water to keep it clean. You can answer in your own way also, children. See the last question. Why do tourist places have public toilets? Just now I said tourist places are places of attraction because it's so beautiful. That's why people come. Yes. So from every part of our country, people come to Hyderabad to see the beauty of Charminar, beauty of Hussain Sagar Lake. So when we are not maintaining it dirty, when we are not maintaining it clean, so how anybody will come to visit? So that those places have to be maintained very clean and neatly. So how? So now what is the question? See, why do tourist places like this? You have seen, no, toilets will be there. Why do they have? Because can you do this? What you have to write? Tourist places have public toilets for the tourists to use because they are away from their home. They have come from somewhere else to see them. Yes, no, children? Yeah. So third question, even you can try to answer as usual in your own way. If you need any help, you can see this and answer. Tourist places have public toilets for the people to use as they are away from their home. And one more reason, if public toilet is not there, what people will do? They will start, that they will start using the open places and the beauty of the place will get spoiled because of the bats. Any place if it is smelling so badly, do we go there? We know that some disease we will be getting once we are there. So that is why tourist places have the public toilets for the people to use as they are away from their home, or else you can write have public toilets for the people, or else the people may use the open place and the beauty of the place will be destroyed. So these are all things you have to remember, children. What all we learned in keeping our surrounding clean, right from the waste disposal. Then we learned about the cleaning workers part. We learned how cleaning our home and how cleaning the how to keep the surrounding clean, streets and all. Then you learnt about the green bin, red bin and reusable bin. And finally, but not the least part of the lesson, this is also a very important part of lesson, keeping the toilets clean. And never forget, once you use the toilet, to wash your hands cleanly so that the dirt and germs will not affect your health, children. So by today, the block 13 is completed. So you also complete all the work up to block 13 and learn the lesson and be ready for the next class, children. Bye bye, children.